Key Responsibility Area KRA. So KRA is the abbreviation used for the Key Responsibility Area or Key Result Area. The meaning of KRA sums up a comprehensive description of the roles and responsibility of the employee at their workplace. They are both qualitative and quantitative and outline the scope of job in achieving organizational goals. So KRA is summarizing the optimum outcomes and result expected out of the work dedicated to employees, department and complete organization. They offer a sense of direction to employees and help in understanding their roles clearly. So KRA focus on how to accomplish economic growth, overall efficiency and productivity, customer satisfaction and retention, employee engagement, brand recognition and recall value, age against competitors. So why KRA is important? One of the major role of KRA is to summarize the role of an employee in the organization. However, KRA promote understanding, motivating employees, increase employees engagement and much more. So these are the some point for the importance of KRA. Performance review. Appraisal, rewards and recognition, bonuses and other way of appreciating employees become indisputably fair and unbiased when KRA meet with their task accomplished. Time management. Deadline and timeline are part of KRA and help in managing time, prioritizing tasks and delivering projects on time. Resource allocation. Time, budget, assets, etc. are easy to allocate when organization list out the roles of employee and department in the most relevant manner. Employee experience. Employees feel more valued, motivated and engaged when their supervisor describe their roles and responsibility in an organization and help them understand how their work fits in the bigger picture, that is organizational goals. Productivity and efficiency. When employees know what they are supposed to do and accomplish, they are expected plus dedicated to produce better result with increased productivity. So there is a famous Pareto principle which we can use here. So it says 80% of consequences or effects come from 20% of causes. That is 80% of the value of work will come from 20% work done. So therefore it's important to understand 20% of work and define KRA to achieve it. Now there are 5 tips to remember while setting KRA. Number first, personalization as per the employee's roles. Creating the same KRA for every employee or every department might prove to be a blunder. Remember to personalize KRA as per employee's strength, qualification, expert areas, performance review, feedback from colleagues, managers, and most important, the employees say must be considered while setting up the KRA. Second, organizational goals and employee aspiration. Focus on both organization and employees' growth is necessary for defining and assigning KRA. Strive for a balance between short-term and long-term goals as well between career objectives of person and the mission of the organization. Third, method of performance evaluation. Key performance indicator or measures of evaluation must be clearly defined to employees in advance. Try setting evaluation criteria, goals, cycles around desired outcomes and on an overall performance basis. Number 4, prioritize of KRA. Multiple responsibilities are assigned to employees for accomplishing multiple goals. While describing KRA to them, make sure to define the priorities of KRA as it will help in increasing efficiency, better performance review and completion of tasks on time. Number 5, revision at frequent intervals. KRA once set must be revised at regular intervals as per the changing needs and priorities of the organization. Rigid and unrealistic KRA won't lead business anywhere. So it is necessary to keep up KRA with changing times. So there is a smart rule which we should follow in the KRA. So KRA must be smart. First, specific. Clearly design goals increase the chances of achieving expected result. Number 2, measurables. Quantified metrics of visible and tangible result are easy to analyze. Number third, achievable. Practical obstacles like time and cost must be taken into consideration. Number four, realistic. Goals must be relevant and practically possible to achieve by employees. Number five, time bound. Date of completion must be mentioned for an extra push of motivation. So things here I'm going to tell you the things to know before assigning KRA. Number first, study the vision and mission of the organization. Vision and mission are defined by every organization as its initial stage. Thus, to set KRA for employees and department, it is necessary to align with them the mission of an organization. Thereby, supervisor of KRA identifiers must deeply understand the value, the proposition of their company and frame KRA accordingly. Second, collaborate and communicate. Before deciding KRA for employees, manager or supervisor should communicate with personnel and request their suggestion. Two-way communication will help in better understanding, strategizing, and implementation of KRA. This could be the best way to delegate responsibilities as per the strength and weakness of individuals. Number third, define and establish. Before establishing KRA, supervisor must have a clear understanding of the purpose of the position, the priority of task, and how KRA align with the organization's goal. While establishing KRA, step-by-step method to approach goals must be taken care so that employees can effortlessly accomplish their goals without any confusion. So here I want to know you about the 8 easy steps to document and assign KRA. Number first, understand the job description and designation of the employees. Number second, communicate with employees to understand their aspiration, strength, and weakness. Number third, chalk down KRA as per the above information and align with organization goals. Number four, include priorities, process, deadlines, and other relevant instruction. Number fifth, mention evaluation criteria, both quantitative and qualitative of KRAs. Number sixth, before assigning goals, discuss with employee and review KRA once again. Number seventh, assign KRA to designate employees. Number eight, review KRA at regular intervals and update them accordingly. So KRA helps in achieving a structure and targeted approach, keep employees of workforce engaged and improve their overall efficiency of an organization. So that's all for today's session. Thanks for watching my channel. Please do like and subscribe my channel.